Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Experian. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Experian application, go ahead and open it up. And as soon as you open the application, you will be taken into the home page. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the bottom left corner and you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now all you need to do is enter your credentials. If you created your account using your Google account, you can tap on sign in with Google and then you can simply choose your Google account in order to log in. Otherwise just type in your username followed by your account password and finally click on the sign in button. Once you do this, you will directly be logged into your account on Experian and you can start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.